Um, so what do you want to do today? I can't figure it out. What? Well, I don't know what am I thinking because, well, it's already spring and I don't even know what we gonna do for this month. Well, I don't know, but it's really boring here. Yeah. Yeah, and wait, what? What? Why are you making the hot sound? Well, I don't know. Oh, I get it. Because you got the hiccups. One hiccups. Because every time you talk, you get hiccups. Well, how am I supposed to stop it? Well, I don't know. Hang on, I think I know. Creeper, can you come over here right now? So, how do I do to fix her? Well, you see, I don't know how, but I can't speak during this. Well, stop talking for a minute. Okay. 1 minute later. It's still going. Oh, you're kidding me. Yep. Okay, this is being ridiculous. Can you hold your breath? Okay. Oh, God! Run to him! Burner! No. Oh no. So, she died because a creeper has to kill her because of keep on breathing until she fainted. Oh, what the humanity. What have I done? I just had to do it. Why did you have to make her faint out? I'm sorry, I stopped breathing and worked. It worked for me, but I don't think it works for her. Huh? What? Sorry, I just fell asleep and I don't know what happened. I saw the breathing in was boring. Oh man, don't know why. Wait, you're alive? Hello. Was I dead? I felt tired of doing that because it sucked. Wow. Well, I still have the hiccups though. Oh, great. Oh, I think I have the perfect idea. What happened? What about drinking this water bottle? I am not drinking. Drink it! Why did you have to make me forced to drink it? I'm sorry, but I thought it would work. And you still had the hiccups. Well, how about I just go to sleep? Yeah, for right now it's already midnight. So let's just go to bed. Yeah, probably for the best. Okay. I'll just sleep here. Hey guys, wait, where's Bendy? Oh, one problem. What do you mean? Look and listen to him. Wait. Yup. Oh man. Great, now we gotta take care of him now. What? First, I have my hiccups gone. It's just completely, I don't know how you call it.